We describe how people with disabilities were included in producing assistive devices despite social distancing. Social distancing isolated us everyone. Necessity taught us all to become familiar with video conferencing tools. It was also an opportunity to explore new ways of inclusion for people with disabilities. We discovered how video calls can connect people with different abilities to design and create assistive devices, devices for personal use, useful aids for facilitating active participating in daily living. New workflows were developed and experimented. We used video communication to remove physical barriers to participation. Mobility became less of an issue. Computer-controlled machines like 3D printers allow hands-free manufacturing of artifacts. Video conferencing allowed our participants to modify the design without being physically present. The Zoom tool allows for remote control so the participants can produce personal devices on a remote 3D printer. People who need and people who know the need knowers can join online. This means less issues regarding mobility and distance, normally constraining physical meetings. Another barrier to collaboration between different abilities was lowered. Computer-controlled manufacturing enables collaborative design and production. It's hands-free. Using a smartphone as a webcam, the user and the rest of the group can observe the machine as it makes the device in a remote location. This gives a sense of ownership for the user. Creating, making, owning together some recognized components in occupational therapy. Involving patients as peers in device creation is therapeutic as well. This is the novel possibility of a fully digital workflow. A person with disabilities can participate in all activities from idea to final product. He or she effectively becomes a maker. Apart from the usefulness of the result, the role shifts from being a patient to becoming a competent assistive device producer. Many solutions are developed. Many organizations' models are being experimented at the moment. Ideas and experiences are locally shared. People with and without disabilities who see and share with others raise awareness of the possibilities. People with needs start asking how and where to find solutions to specific problems. There are some issues, however. Design requires knowledge. Making an enabling solution for humans is more complicated than it may seem. Without experience, without advice from healthcare professionals, finding the right solution is a daunting task. How does the average person navigate wisely among ready-made solutions scattered on the internet? Is it effective for the expert? Is it clearly described? Who can help? To resolve that problem, we propose a gateway. The advent of user-created content was key enabling event. For example, Wikipedia solved a problem of scattered knowledge, making it globally available to all. To facilitate engaging in co-production of assistive solutions, we have gathered stakeholders from around the world to build a unified database, a gateway of non-commercial assistive devices, ideas and solutions. Our international community of creators of assisted devices, ICoCreAD, involves different people from different countries and different professions. Many work at rehabilitation centers or in makerspaces. Please join us or ask questions. Send a mail to ICoCreAD@gmail.com. Please help us build the gateway that we will launch in the near future. Thank you for your attention.